As you already know, we keep a close eye on our global user community. The recent videos where we showcase some of your feedback were a blast to make, so we're back with another one. Whether you're a veteran earner or a newcomer, remember your opinion matters. So buckle up as we share some recent reviews from our community. Real people, real stories, and real cash. This time, we're kicking things off with Trustpilot. Here's what Sailor Moon 2003 had to say about Pawns.app. This is my third payout request from Pawns.app, and I'm really grateful for your honesty. First of all, congratulations on hitting that third payout. Providing people worldwide with a source of income was the idea that brought Pawns.app to light, so we're always thrilled to see feedback like this. Remember, the payout amount is $5. You can reach it however you like, completing surveys, sharing bandwidth, doing quests, or inviting friends to join. Once you do, you get your earnings in cash, gift cards, or crypto depending on your location. If you're wondering which payment methods are available in your country, check the link in the description. While user XX10XX may have a nickname that twists the tongue, their message was loud and clear. I love surveys. It only takes me a few minutes to complete them. Looking forward to the new updates Pawn.app is cooking for us. Way to go, XX10XX. Our whole team always appreciates feedback like this. Seeing surveys get some love is always great. There's no better way to confirm we're on the right track. Comments like yours keep us hyped to develop new and exciting features like quests, spin the wheel, the earn more tab, and more. Now it's time to switch to our YouTube community. Here's what Vicky Jackson 38 had to say. I love Pawns.app, but when I share my internet, it shows 0 GB. Thanks for your feedback, Vicky, and we're sorry about your experience. We do our best to optimize the app and make internet sharing work for everyone. While the app treats all users exactly the same, certain things are out of our control. Here's what I mean by that. The number of gigabytes that you can share through Pawns.app depends on our clients and how much traffic they need from a specific country. Certain countries are more popular than others. That's just how it is. So keep the app running and make sure your internet sharing is on. Sooner or later, it will be time for your IP address to shine. This video wouldn't be complete without a peek into our Discord community. The user behind the nickname 23awayc had this to say. I've made 3 withdrawals before. Pawns is 100% real and safe to use. You can check out payout proof, including mine, and hashtag payout from Pawns app. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. The feedback is awesome, but your willingness to help others is truly inspiring. That's the whole point of Pawns.app, and it warms our hearts to see the community coming together like this. Yes, our Discord server has success stories and enough payout proof to convince even the most hardcore doubters out there. But more importantly, it's a great place to get in touch with wonderful people like 23awayc, so make sure to check it out. And last but not least, user MR Mosh throws in their 2 cents. Pawns is the best app for earning money. Clean, simple, and to the point. What else could we possibly wish for? Thank you so much, Mr. Mosh. We totally agree with you. That's all for this one, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave us a like and share it with your fellow earners. Tell us about your Pawns.app experiences in the comments or any other social media site. We are everywhere and we're always watching. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next star of our next video.